Okay, welcome back to Resident Evil 7. Holy fuck, why is it so dark? Okay, so, we're not gonna question what's in this fridge. We're gonna close it. What? Female 50s meaty saute, March 13th. Okay, I'm not gonna question that. I don't think I have guns. Yeah, I don't have a gun. I swear, if I end up running into something that I have to shoot, I'm just gonna run. It's on garage. Okay. Hold up. Hold up. Let me. Alright, sorry about that. I had to turn the brightness up because it was really dark. A box? It's fragile. Maybe break it with something. I need another lockpick or a key for that. Alright, the old lady's still here. Can I place something here? Three missing during Urbex trip. State authorities are asking for help looking 3 men who went missing during their travels to Dulve Parish from New Orleans on the 9th of this month. The missing men have been identified as Peter Walken, Andre Stickland, and Clancy Javis. The three produced videos for the internet and traveled to Dulve to shoot footage for the latest production. Their videos consist mostly of the group exploring abandoned buildings and haunted houses. Aren't those the guys that were in the VHS tape? Um. Okay, so I'm gonna act like I didn't see any of that. I'm gonna walk away slowly. I swear, if he comes to me, I need to. I don't want to go out. And you know what? Fuck it. Never mind. I'm going to be scared. He's got a shovel. He's got a shovel. And I have nothing. Just keep running. Let me in, let me in. Nope, nope. Yep, that would be better. I have nothing to heal myself with. Fuck. I mean, hey, I have a hand back. I have my hand back. That's good. And the hell am I supposed to use an antique coin for? I'm just gonna follow the yellow code. What is this room? Just gonna... Main house map. Kim, food, and herb. Combine items. That's good to know. I'm gonna see what's in that box in a minute. I'm just trying to figure out where the fuck I'm at. Ooh, a lockpick. Okay, so what's in this box? What the? Function replica of anti-bioweapon handgun. Even though it's a replica, it still packs a punch. Okay, I'm pretty sure this is for beating the game. Ooh, do I have a chance to call the police again? You pick up the phone, but yet you have a perfect chance to call the police. I swear, if that was that door opening. Yeah, so I'm gonna just close that. Okay, now who the fuck is calling me? Ah, okay. How does she know I'm in here? There's been 2 phones so far. How does she know? Oh, you talked about... Okay, okay. That looks disgusting. I got staples in my hand. Yeah, I got staples in my hand. Okay, so I'm assuming I need to get in here somehow. Cured with tape. I don't like this. I swear, if he's around this corner. Is this what she was talking about? Okay. Now I got 2 shots. Don't know who that is. When did you get here?
Open up. Hey.
Who the fuck?
Hold on, back up. Now, sir, do you live here? I mean, is this your property? What?
No.
Alright. Now we got several calls about some missing persons lately.
You don't understand. I gotta get out of here.
Calm down.
You're not listening to me. There are crazy people in this house trying to fucking kill me.
Well, alright. Let me tell you this. You don't exactly seem like you're playing crippled Nick yourself, alright?
Are you kidding me?
Look, like I said, we've had several missing persons calls. And I can't rule out that an outsider like yourself may not be involved.
All right. I'll tell you whatever you want.
Alright. Now that's more like it. Now, meet me in the garage. We'll talk later.
Hey, wait. You gotta give me your gun.
You must have lost your mind.
Look, officer.
Deputy.
Right. Deputy. You want to see my name in the obituaries? But you want to be a hero and save my life.
Is he actually gonna give me his gun? Nope. A pocket knife.
A fucking pocket knife?
Here. Take it. That's all you're gonna get. Now go. Garage. Now.
What am I gonna do with a knife?
Stab some people. Can I open this? Ah, so this is a handgun. Okay, so yeah, I'm pretty sure that I got this because I did beat the game a little, like, close to a year or two ago. Since when was the garage door
Hey,
open?
we gotta get the fuck out of here.
Now first you need to tell me what you're doing out here alone in the middle of the night.
Me? What about you?
Now it's my job. Won't you do your job and tell me? Answer my questions.
You're not gonna believe me if I told you.
Try.
Hey,
Hey, what the hell?
Oh. Oh. I'm gonna just, oh, this thing does pack fun. Yeah, I don't think I'm supposed to have this gun. I don't think I'm supposed to have this gun, so whenever... Yeah, no, I'm pretty sure this is supposed to be the gun I'm supposed to get. Ow.
It's over, boy.
I mean, I just got car keys.
Better start running.
Ow. Ow. That kind of hurt. Sir, would you please step outside of the vehicle? Ow. Okay, so this really sucks. Am I supposed to get in the car before him? Okay, that's gonna be a pain in the ass.
Hey, we gotta get the fuck
Can I
out of here.
skip
Now
this
first you need
cutscene?
to tell me what you're doing out here alone in the middle of the night.
Me?
What, it's the middle of
What
the
about
night?
you?
Holy
That's my
fuck.
job. Won't you do your job and tell me? Answer my questions.
You're not
Officer, this may sound crazy, but I think I'm in this loop. You need a dog. Okay. Well, thanks for that, Jack. I'm gonna just get in the car. Where the fuck is he? Yeah, fuck you. No, fuck you. Guess what you guys gotta do whenever you fight? Don't let them get up. Where the fuck? Up. Where the hell is he?
Oh, shit!
Oh, what the hell? Nope. The fact that he's only controlling us?
Let's finish this.
The fact that he's only controlling the steering wheel and yet... Oh, never mind. He has his hand on my...
No.
How the hell am I alive? Okay, can I get out? Please? I don't think I'm supposed to have the current pistol I have. So when I get the first chance to, I'm gonna get rid of it. Where the oh, there it is. How the fuck are you? I'm just gonna use this for this fight. Die. Die.
You done, motherfucker.
Shit. Well, I'm gonna be surprised. How the hell are you not dead? Oh. I don't think I gotta worry about him. No. My dog is barking at something. I wanna go check. I wanna go check it out. But at the same time, no, it's probably gonna be something stupid. You know what? I'm gonna go check it out. I'll be back. Okay, so my dog was barking because my neighbors are trying to get in their roof redone. So I just brought him down to where I just brought him to my room. Also, he's a pain. He's a pain because every time I open the gate, because he's not allowed down here unless someone else is down here, I opened the gate and he immediately ran to my brother's room. Okay, I'm gonna go put this gun up. Because I don't think I'm supposed to have it, like, at all. Wasn't the old lady here? So I'm just gonna... put those in there. It's been a while since I played this, to be honest. Okay, can I go through here now? I need a key. Nope, never mind. I thought I needed the key. How big is this fucking house? My god. What is in here? What's in here? Oh. Oh, I'm supposed to put something. It's a pressure plate. God damn it. Okay, so that's a pressure plate. Oh. What the fuck is that for? Over 20 missing in 2 years. Captain Howell from State Police told reporters they have started to search for Helen Midkiff, a college student from North Carolina who was traveling in Louisiana. Miss Midkiff hasn't been heard of since the night of the 21st. Reports of missing persons, missing people is what it should be, but I guess it's a typo, in South Louisiana have increased dramatically in the past 2 years. The majority of those missing are terrorists and vagrants. At least 20 people who are thought to have gone missing so far. Police suspect foul play and believe that it may be a connection between the incidents. Plans are in place to step up local interrogations and increase personnel to further the investigations. Alyssa Ashcroft, January 19th, 2016. I'm assuming this takes place around then. I gotta find a bunch of heads. How many phones are there?
Did my daddy give you a hard time?
That's your father?
Wait, what?
He used to be.
I'm sorry, but he's dead now.
You just might be able to pull this off.
I mean, yeah. I'm pretty sure he's dead.
There's something I need you to do, but I can't explain.
Because I'm
right
pretty sure
now.
he just killed himself.
You may need some sort of keys to do it, but find a way out of the house.
Okay.
I'll be in touch.
Isn't that Servius, the three-headed dog? I'm pretty sure it's Servius, the Hellhound. I gotta find something for that. I gotta find a key, clock, pendulum. Wasn't the clock in over? Wait, can I go back out this door? Can I go back out this door? I can. I'm pretty sure the clock out here was missing the thing. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this clock was missing a thing. Also, why is this part? Why does this have barbed wire on it? I have so many questions, but not a lot of people are probably going to be able to answer it. That's the charges I broke out of in the last video. Yeah, this one's missing the pendulum. Well, there's one head. I don't know if anything else is going to appear out of nowhere and try and kill me or not, so I'm just gonna... Oh, I thought that was one of the dog heads, but that's someone in out water. Oh, I thought that was someone right there. Okay, so that's one. How the fuck did you get up here? How the fuck did she get up here? Oh, I thought I could break the window. Okay, what's out here? Okay. I need another key for there. Mark handgun ammo. Need a key for that. What? Chem fluid. I need a herb. Oh. The hell kind of shower is this? Oh, okay. wooden statue. Oh, what the hell? How the fuck are you not dead? Half of your head was missing.
My little girl is giving us a gift.
Talking about Zoe? What the fuck do you have, sir?
As you can see,
As you can see, you're on the ground. What the fuck? Okay, so I think he's immortal. I'm pretty sure he's immortal. Cause he shot his brains out and is still alive. Make another one of those. What's in here? I need a key. I'm not doing another one of those. What the hell? Blue dog's head. Okay. Ooh, gunpowder. I need chem fluid. Why does everything take chem fluid? Stone gun. I don't know if I can die while looking at this, but I'm gonna play this. Okay. Ethan, please watch this. How the hell does she know I'm here? Mia Winters' old house. Wasn't
If you find this,
I at the old house?
I know I can't expect anything from you. Not after what happened. After what I did.
Well, yeah, you cut my hand off.
I just want you to know that wasn't me.
It pretty much it looked like you.
What happened? There's so much that you need to know.
Who the hell is that?
You gave us quite a scare, young lady.
Oh. Okay, so I can stop the video. Okay.
Catch me again.
Which way? I'm going this way. Over where?
I am sick and tired of being sick and tired. I need to hide. I need to hide. What have I done to deserve this except open my home and feed you?
Please don't tell me she's coming over this way.
I don't understand you, and all this
I'm gonna stay crouched. The hell is in?
This house has seen more than just don't understand. Or is it just don't? I know you and Zoe are plotting. I know you were scheming.
She's gonna find me.
I don't know what you want to do with that boy, Ethan.
If she comes out here, she's gonna find me. Wait, is she leaving?
No, don't come over here. I gotcha!
Was I supposed to hide behind the door? You failed. Was I supposed to hide behind the door?
This house has seen more than you
Oh,
can imagine.
yeah, I think I was supposed to hide back here. What's in the trash?
I know Zoe are not.
Oh, we're not buying anything. I don't know who the hell you're talking about.
Think I don't know what you want to do with that boy, Ethan?
Oh, shit.
No, don't come over here.
Okay, so I was supposed to hide behind the door. Tonight's gonna probably be another double upload of this, because I'm pretty sure the 9th I'm not gonna be able to record. Today is gonna be another double upload. Shit, she's still over there. I swear, she comes and looks behind this door. She comes and looks behind this door. I'm gonna make sure I kill her as Ethan.
I'll feed you to my babies and fertilize the garden with what was left.
What the fuck kind of threat was that? Oh, oh, she's storming off.
We open our home.
Oh,
We open our hearts.
I
And what do you do?
didn't tell y'all to do that. Okay, so it said I can interact with this. What am I doing? Huh? Oh, am I supposed to match it? I was supposed to match it? Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to match it with this. Yeah, I'm supposed to match it apparently. Nope, she's coming back.
She loves you. She wants us to be a family, goddammit. You! All you have to do is accept her fucking gift!
Whoa. Why you coming at me like that? I thought my dog was snoring.
Stay right there, you little bitch!
Wait. Okay.
Right now!
My dog's just laying next to me right now. Okay, I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna stop. Oh, never mind.
She loves you. She wants us to be a family, goddammit.
God damn it, I don't want to be a him.
You! All you have to do is accept her fucking gift!
Well, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh.
Where do you think you're going?
How the fuck do you get down here?
Stephen, please help me. Stephen, help me.
I can't help you. Well, I think she's dead. Yeah, I think she's dead.
What did they do to you, Mia?
Another ant.
Which in a word means...
How the... Yeah, no, no. You get back. Oh, yeah, now I actually am fucked. Ow. Hold up. Ow. I'm not a fucking child. Okay, so I can interact with Ow. Well, I would like to kill you, but... Ow. Bitch. Ow. Okay, so I now know that I'm back here. I'm gonna stay down here for a little bit. So they had pets, apparently? Ooh, I could use a lawnmower. I can run him over with a lawnmower. I could crate 10 things of handgun ammo. If I get more chem fluid, I believe. No. If I get more chem fluid. What's over this way? I believe this is a safe room. I'm gonna just put that in there. But in statue light. Oh, does that go on that one light thing? Okay, so I'm in this here. And I'm gonna do a double upload.